This is the rights and responsibilities for general assistance. We'll go over your reporting responsibilities, your understanding of your reporting responsibilities, your right to request a hearing, and employable persons. Agreement to report changes. You'll tell the Department of Social Services within 5 days of any changes in your household. Changes in income, including the source or the amount. Changes in employment status, for example, if you become employed or your employment ends. Changes in real property holdings, for example, land or buildings. Changes in your address or living arrangement. Changes in the number of persons living with you or with whom you live. Changes in personal possessions, cash or other personal property, such as bank accounts, jewelry, or cars. Changes in legal status, such as you or a member of your household being convicted of a drug felony for possession, use, or distribution of a controlled substance, avoiding or running from the law to avoid a felony prosecution, custody, or confinement after conviction, or in violation of probation or parole. Understanding of reporting responsibilities. You understand your reporting responsibilities and know all your statements on the application are subject to investigation and verification. That if you make false statements or intentionally withhold information, you may be guilty of fraud, for which you may be prosecuted under the law and or lose eligibility for general assistance payments. Right to request a hearing. You understand you have a right to request a hearing if you disagree with actions taken by this department, and you must apply for a hearing in person or in writing within 14 days after receipt of any notice. The address for requesting the hearing is the nearest Department of Social Services office, or you can mail the written request to Department of Social Services, P.O. Box 8119, San Luis Obispo, California, 93403-8119. At the hearing, you may be represented by an attorney. You may present evidence and cross-examine any witnesses giving evidence about the action on your case. When you request a hearing, it will be scheduled within 10 working days of the request date. Employable persons. If you're able to work, you will need to meet the following conditions. You must apply for unemployment insurance benefits, UIB, with the California Employment Development Department, EDD. You must be available for full-time employment and actively seeking and accept any available employment that you're capable of performing. You must actively seek employment and participate in the Work Search Job Club program at Creekside Center or Estrella Career Center in North County. You must obtain employment within 30 days of your application for general assistance. You must meet all other eligibility requirements. Failure to meet these conditions without good cause will result in the denial or discontinuance of general assistance, and the following penalty period will be imposed. The first failure to meet this condition, the county will impose a 30-day penalty period. The second failure to meet this condition, the county will impose a 90-day penalty period. The third failure to meet this condition, the county will impose a 180-day penalty period. This concludes the rights and responsibilities for general assistance.